In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Typeform account. Whether you're looking to just cancel your paid plan or you want to delete your entire account altogether, along with what to expect every step of the way. First, let's talk about what to do if you're on a paid plan and want to avoid future charges. You'll want to start by signing in to your Typeform account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the organization alias. Click on that and then choose Plan and Billing. If you're on a paid plan, you'll see an option that says Cancel My Plan. Now, in this walkthrough, we're using the free plan, so you won't see this option. But I assure you that if you're enrolled in a paid plan, you'll find it there. After clicking Cancel My Plan, you'll need to select the free plan, often listed under the Individuals tab. Just click on Get Free to move forward. There will be a short cancellation survey you'll need to complete before hitting Submit. Your cancellation won't be processed unless this step is completed, so make sure you do that. Then, you'll have to confirm your choice by checking the confirmation box and clicking Cancel My Plan. Now, what will happen next is your current plan stays active until the end of the prepaid period, whether that's the end of the month or the year. Now, here's a key point to keep in mind. Forms using paid features will enter a trial mode. This means they might close to new responses unless certain features are removed or if you decide to upgrade again. Typeform doesn't offer prorated refunds, so make sure you're aware of that. However, all your collected responses and data will remain safe within the account. Now, if you're ready to take the bigger step of permanently erasing both your account and related data, begin by signing in and navigating to your settings. You can do this through the organization alias or by finding a quick link. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete My Account. Once you click on that, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication. This is a security step, so if you see it, click Send me the code. Then, head over to your email, retrieve that code, and enter it under verification code. On the confirmation screen that follows, you'll need to click Delete Everything to finalize the account deletion. It's crucial to keep in mind that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. All of your forms, responses, and data will be lost permanently. Typeform doesn't keep backups, so once you delete, there's no going back or retrieving any of it. Additionally, you won't be eligible for any refunds for any remaining subscription time. And there you have it, everything you need to know about closing your Typeform account, whether you're just downgrading or permanently deleting it. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.